Honor View 10 at a glance. Body, aluminum back, 2.5D Gorilla Glass 3 on the front. Midnight black and navy blue color schemes, peach gold, Aurora Blue, charm red, night black in some markets. Display, 5.99 inches LTPS LCD, 2160 by 1,08 OPX resolution, 403-bit. Rear cameras, main camera, 16MP, f/1.8, color. Secondary camera, 20MP, f/1.8, monochrome. Phase detection, autofocus, f/0.95, f/16 aperture simulation. 2160p/30 fps video recording. Front camera, 13MP, f/2.0 aperture, fixed focus. 1080p/30 fps video recording. OS/software, Android 8.0 Oreo, Huawei EMUI 8.0 custom overlay. Chipset, Huawei Kirin 970, octa-core CPU, 4x2, 36 GHz plus 4x1, 8 GHz, Mali G72 12-core GPU. Memory, 4/6 of a gigabyte of LPDDR4X RAM, 64 128ths of a gigabyte storage, hybrid microSD slot for expansion, shared with SIM2 slot. Battery, 3,750 mAh LiPo, sealed, Huawei SuperCharge proprietary fast charging, 5V/4.5A. Connectivity, dual SIM, 4G VoLTE LTE on both cards, USB-C, v2.0, Wi-Fi A/B/G/NAC, GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, NFC, Bluetooth 4.2. Miscellaneous, front-mounted fingerprint reader, single speaker on the bottom, 3.5mm jack. Huawei didn't bother with weather sealing on the Honor View 10, and it has no IP rating. You do need to step up to the Pro to get that, as not even the regular Mate 10 is properly protected, just IP53 on that one. But hey, Mate 10 Pro, show us your 3.5mm jack. You can't, can you? The Honor View 10 swaps out the dongle for a built-in headphone jack, just the way it should be. Huawei Mate 10 Pro at half the price, that would be the Honor View 10. Made official in China last week, the View 10 was just announced for the world, and we were there for some hands-on action. Now, the Honor View 10 may share the form factor and some of the hardware with the top-of-the-line Mate 10 Pro, but certain things didn't make the cut. 0.02 of an inch smaller than the Pro's, that display is not AMOLED, but LCD instead, still in an 18:9 ratio and with a 1080p resolution. Moving on, the Leica branding has been stripped, though the camera configuration is still a similar color plus monochrome duo, 16MP plus 20MP in this case, each behind f/1.8 aperture lens. On the front, the View 10 could have the upper hand, it packs a 13MP f/2.0 camera versus Mate's 8MP shooters. Huawei Honor View 10 hands-on review. The chipset is the same Kirin 970 powerhouse you'd find on the Mates, RAM's plenty at 4GB or 6GB, and you won't be strapped for storage with either the 64GB or the 128GB option, plus there's a card slot if you do end up needing more. A few mAh have been chiseled off the battery capacity, but the 3,750 mAh power pack isn't exactly tiny. The Huawei SuperCharge 5V/4.5 charger is quite beefy itself, and Huawei promises 0 to 50% in 30 minutes. Our experience doesn't leave us doubting. Huawei Honor View 10 hands-on review. Anyway, let's not get hung up on the jack debate, and move on to the hands-on. Join us on the next page.